Hi everybody and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. Today is another very exciting day. As many of you know, I love the Sugo case, okay? And the thing is, the Sugo case has no keyboard. So I was always suggesting a foldable keyboard, and I showed you this in previous videos, what foldable keyboard I was using so far. However, with the release of the iPad OS and the mouse support, having a foldable keyboard with a touchpad, wouldn't this be awesome? Well, I found it. This video is sponsored by my Paperless Movement Inner Circle members. I thank you very much for your consistent support. If you want to join us, just hop over to paperlessmovement.com and sign up there. You will get a lot of goodies as a member, which is premium blog posts, free online courses, and especially our members only forum where we discuss everything paperless. So here it is. That's the foldable keyboard I want to talk about today. It is from Jellycomp. I will put the link into the description below. But now let's have a look how easy it is to set up on your iPad Pro or whatever iPad running iPad OS and supporting mouse input, and how nice it is actually to use. So let's see it in comparison size-wise with the Sugo case. Okay, so it's really a small thing that you can carry around. And when we open it, it is not that much longer than the Sugo case. So you see already, here's the touchpad on the side and we have a nice keyboard. And actually the keys feel very nice. However, there is a slight height difference. So this part is a bit lower than this part. However, if you're doing a 10 finger system, if you're using all 10 fingers to write, this is not a problem. It feels really nice. And as with all the small keyboards, they're really close together, the keys of course, and really small. However, it is a really nice feedback and typing feel actually for such a small keyboard. So now I think we just hook it up to the iPad Pro and let's check out how it will look like. Okay, first of all, you see on top here that there is an on and off button. So I switch it on and here's the charging slot and that's it. There's not more. And there's one button which actually activates the connection with your Bluetooth keyboard. And all you have to do is press this button and it will find the device now on our Bluetooth screen. So I'm only in settings, so you see other devices. As soon as I tap there, it will bring up a code that I have to type in on my keyboard, 5992, and press enter, and now it's connected. That's it. It was as quick as this. So the other thing, to activate the touchpad, we now have to go to accessibility and go to touch here, and then we go to assistive touch and activate assistive touch. And that's it. Here's the mouse and it's already working. And there are only a few functions you have to keep in mind. Maybe you're confused because with a normal mouse you would now click the left click and then you would, it's like your finger holding the screen and then scrolling. You might be confused that there's no click you can do. So what you can do, like with other touchpads as well, use your two fingers and you can scroll this way. It is working. And you can just single tap on any menu. It will open the menu. So this works as well, single tap. Or you double tap and then you have the same control like you would hold down the left key of your mouse. So I think that's really nice. That's a really nice solution that we can use a mouse here, or that we can use a touchpad. And if you go down here, I can also, if you do one tap, nothing happens. But if you do two taps, I can grab this and I can carry it around. And that's actually the mouse speed. So maybe you want to increase it a little bit, but it's up to you how you want to use it. So what else do we have here? We have FN keys. So this means we can control the volume. So you see on top, we can control the volume with the button, mute everything. We can start a song.
We'll be waiting quite a while.
We can skip songs. We can cut and paste and copy and select all. And actually the search function is there as well. We have the home button. Okay. And we have the delete key here as well. So you can go there, and usually on Macs you only have the backspace key, but here you also have the delete key. So you can delete in the other direction. So that's really nice as well. We also have the special characters here. So everything you would expect is available there as well. One thing that's missing on this keyboard is changing the brightness of the iPad. I don't mind, I can just go in here and change the brightness there. So that's not a big deal. It's the same for the volume actually. I'm not using this as much. However, you see the mouse is coming in. I can use it in here and it's working perfectly. So I hope you also saw what great solution we have here with this little addition of a touchpad. So this will be my go for foldable keyboard now that I will take along with my Sugo case. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and I catch you up next time.